everyone, and welcome. So, today is my actual drawing day. So now we are going to be on track. As of today, we will be on track, and I'll kind of explain a little bit more. So, what had happened is I thought that we were just going to do a video on Sundays and I don't remember if it was Sundays and Thursdays or Sundays and I don't know. Sundays and Wednesdays or Sundays and Thursdays. For some reason, that's what I was thinking. And then I was just going to draw all of the names on them 2 days. But that was my bad. But now I am on track. So today is now my official day of drawing. So I drew the name, and I'm going to post it right about now. So congratulations, KO Crafts by Kelly. Awesome. Get a hold of me. All of my information, as y'all should know by now if you watch my videos, is down below in the description. It always is. Usually it's the first thing or just below Mindy's information, because I do send you to hers, and I usually post it Mindy's up there as well. Mindy will be she's got her video up right now, so you should go, because yeah, it's about 9:20 my time in the morning. So her video is already up, and it's Wednesday. So she's posted her video today. So tomorrow she'll do her drawing. So go check out her video and comment on her video. But you need to be a subscriber. When I did my drawing this morning, I had to cancel out 2 people because they weren't subscribers. And if they are, they're hidden, or they don't have public YouTube channels. Y'all gotta be public, or you have to be subscribed. I mean, I do check, and Mindy does as well. You know, I know these are small giveaways, but, come on. This is our money, our time, and your time watching us. So, let's make it all fair for everyone and play the rules, be subscribed, like, comment if you want to enter, don't comment on this video for the entry. I mean, please comment on this and congratulate, Kelly, but, I'll do my video tomorrow that you need to comment in order for my next giveaway, because it is every other day. And that's what I was going to get at. So today is my official day of the giveaway. It is her day of doing a video. So go check her video out, and that will be the one that you'll want to comment on with her. And then Thursday she'll do a drawing for the winners, and then Friday I'll do the drawing. I don't know if giveaway, like she said, I don't know if giveaway is really the correct thing, because it's really not. I mean, we keep stating that this is an advent calendar. Well, have any of you ever had an advent calendar? I mean, it was always just something simple, something small, a little piece of chocolate or a little piece of candy of some sort. That's all we're doing. We're not doing anything big. We're just doing tiny little gestures of just saying thank you for watching, thank you for commenting, and thank you for being a subscriber. I mean, that's really all we're doing. I kind of feel like some people think that this is something bigger, but it's not. Anyhow, so Kelly, get a hold of me. And let me know. And then this weekend I will be sending out your little something something as soon as I get your information, because I don't know where anyone's from. I don't know, I mean, no one even, I mean, I think some of y'all might know that I'm from Washington, or, maybe y'all don't. I don't know. I am well, I'm not originally from Washington, but I am now. We bought a house here in Washington, and we're still unpacking, still trying to figure out the whole thing. Anyhow, so I got the first 3 days. So I'm totally squirreling, aren't I? Squirrel! So I got the first 3 days, and I've started on my fourth day. I will continue and work on this, and then Thursday I will be doing not a live, but I'll do a video, kind of a, I don't know if you want to call it a whip and chat, or I don't know, a drill with me or whatever, when I do this one. But if you want to see updates and everything, go to my Instagram, because that's where I post a lot of my updates, okay? So, yes, I had to write her name down. But, oh, and here's my kidding. You can see my kidding. Yeah. And if you want to see like my whole chaotic mess, yeah. Alright. Alright. I love y'all. I'm scrolling again. Okay, you have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. I mean, I'll put up a couple more videos today, because I'm so behind on putting videos up, like months behind. So, alright. Love y'all. Talk to you later, and don't forget to always smile. Bye bye.